Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Naked Rider Joe, back at it again. And I wanted to do a quick review of some heated handlebars grips. These are the Koso Heated Grips, is what they are. And I installed them myself. Big thing with me, as you guys know, I ride daily. I commute to work. And when I do, the temperatures, they can really change from like the 40 degrees. It can go as high as 90. And I do have some really nice gloves that are really nice, got Gore-Tex inside. But a big thing is about the temperature. I do need some additional, I found that I need additional help when it's really cold outside. I ride sometimes on the street, on the highway, I go up a mountain and it can get really cold. It's much more about a safety feature as far as trying to get as much heat as I can on my hands because when they're cold, they don't want to function right and you can have all kind of problems. So that's why I went out and got these heated handlebars grips, which I installed myself. And they are just really cool, really nice. They feel extremely comfortable. It feels just really nice from that standpoint. They also look like they're part of the OEM manufacturer's gloves. Sorry, OEM manufacturer handlebars. They look very similar is what they do. There we go. I find the heated handlebars feel really nice, very comfortable, and they look very much like the factory. They're very integrated as far as the wiring, where it looks just like any other part of the bike. Doesn't look aftermarket at all, and they just look fantastic from a look standpoint. They are extremely easy to use. You have the button here where you can hit, that can go from one temperature to the next, and they go all the way up to the red. What I find is that you can utilize the heated handlebars at their highest setting, even with bare hands, and they don't get too hot to where you don't want to hold the actual bike. So that's a very positive feature. The looks of it are fantastic. They look very good and they look awesome. I really appreciate the look of it, the feel, the texture feels amazing. The directions say to plug the handlebars, the handlebar hand grip wiring straight into the battery, and that is something that you can do directly. One key thing to note is that if you do plug it directly into the battery, it can work off of just when the motorcycle is off, in the off position, you can still turn them on. It does have an automatic switch inside, what the directions say. Directions say it does have an automatic switch, so that any time the actual battery gets to a point where it's less than 12 volts, then the heated handlebars will show the color purple and they will not work. So that way you know from that standpoint. It won't drain the battery. Another thing to note is that you will not use, with the Suzuki GSX-8S, you will not use the actual OEM bar ends. They do not fit. You have to use the caps that come with it. So instead of using the bar ends, you will use this thing, is what you will. Overall, I do like the look of the bar ends, and I'm planning to keep them. I don't plan to make any changes and just continue to use the bar ends that come with the heated grips. Overall, guys, I would say that I highly recommend these Koso Apollo Heated Grips. I think they work really well. They look great. They are easy to install as long as you either have some previous experience working on a motorcycle, you have basic experience with mechanical and electrical experience, or you can follow the directions and do exactly what they say inside the directions. And the directions are pretty easy to follow. I highly recommend them. They do help a lot with keeping your hands heated, but they don't get overheated to the point where you don't want to grab the actual handlebars. So that's my overall review, and you can find the actual product online. I'll leave the name inside the description. You can look everywhere to find them. They're basically everywhere at motorcycle shops, Amazon, all these other different places. Thank you very much, guys, and I appreciate you guys' time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make any comments if you think there are some better heated hand grips that are out there. Let me know, and I will talk to you later. Bye.